Guys, as you can see, I'm not in my usual setup because in today's video I wanted to talk about something really special that really happened to me right now, and that, I mean, I just experienced, but this is something that I've been talking about for a little while, and it is the importance of optimizing your life for creativity. Because we talk a lot, and you know, at the end of the day, running an Amazon business is pretty simple, right? It's just, you just need to buy cheap products and sell them for more money to make a profit. Now, you know, I talked a bit about the importance of reading a lot of stuff about diverse subjects, and this is going to relate to something that I actually do right now, which is traveling a lot. Because you may see traveling right now in your life as an expense that doesn't make sense, that will take money out of your business, but it is one of those things that is going to help you experience a lot of different stuff that you may have never come across in the past. That is actually going to develop your mind and make you have better ideas. And as I said in the previous video, it is a quote from a book that I really like that is called Creativity Inc. By the founder of Pixar, and they define creativity as the I forgot what the exact word is, but it's the meeting point in between ideas that do not seem related at first, but that helps you create something totally new, right? And so, you know, right now in your Amazon business, we talk a lot about getting out of your zone of comfort, but your zone of comfort is basically you right now. It's you working 10 hours a day, staying in front of your computer, not seeing the world, and scaling your business this way. But eventually you are either going to burn out, or you are going to raise a ceiling that you are going to have a hard time going through. And this is when I believe personally you need to travel to see the world, to see new things. Because just look at it. Just look at how beautiful it is. I'm in Budapest right now, by the way. Just look at how beautiful it is. And this is when, you know, you need to experience different cultures, see different people, and this is how you're going to be able to be more creative and have new ideas. I was just on a cruise with my girl on the Danube River, and I had so many ideas because, you know, I'm in a position where I'm traveling with school and all that stuff, but I'm not that comfortable because I feel a little bit like, and it's not like that it's going to happen, but I feel like I'm scared to go broke, all that stuff. And like, actually being in that position and seeing that much different stuff is going to help you develop your mind and have like new ideas. Just on that cruise that I was on, I was sitting, I saw so many beautiful things, and like just by seeing those things, I was sitting and I started having so many ideas. And I've been traveling for the last couple of days. Oh, that's really good. I've been traveling for the last couple of days. If you follow me on Instagram, you would know that I was in Vienna and I just arrived in Budapest today. But just while I was sitting on that cruise, I don't know, and even in Vienna I had some ideas. I had a lot of ideas for my Amazon business. I had a lot of ideas for my personal brand business, which is this one, that I already started implementing. But just on that cruise right there, I saw so many things, so many new things that I've never experienced. Just look at it, it's so different from the rest of Europe. It's so different from the States that you are in America right now. And so by traveling, like sometimes just seeing those things is going to help you discover something inside yourself that you did not know existed. And just when I was sitting on that cruise, I was sitting on that cruise and like I had so many ideas flowing through my brain. Just during those 30 minutes, I don't know, like at one point I had so many ideas flowing through my brain, I cannot even explain how it actually changed my views on a lot of things. And I had so many ideas for this business that I run on YouTube and the Amazon business that I would have not had if I was still in front of my computers 10 hours a day trying to scale the business. So you need to see those things as indirect return on investment, because you need to develop your brain, you need to be exposed to a lot of ideas to grow as a human being, and the more you grow as a human being, the more you are going to, the bigger of a chance you have to have a breakthrough idea that is going to change your life.